In this lesson, we will see how we can use the grounding with Google search to get the recent results. Let us see. So here under settings, you can see grounding with Google search. So what I'll do first, I'll write a new prompt. Okay, and then I'll use the same prompt after enabling this option, grounding with Google search. Okay. I'll type when and where is the Champions Trophy without enabling this. Click run. Here it is. It is showing that the Champions Trophy will held in 2029, which is incorrect. Okay, because we did not enable Google search. Now I'll enable this and I'll copy this prompt and paste it here. Click run. It is by Google search. Obviously both the products are by Google. So here it is. The Champions Trophy will held from February 19 to March 9, 2025. Okay. And these are the sources. Also the Google search suggestions. So it is powered by Google search. So this is an amazing feature. Okay, so you can get the real-time updates also. So guys, we saw how we can use the grounding with Google search and use Google search results for our prompts. Thank you for watching the video.